These fudgy brownies are perfect for chocolate lovers. Rich and fudgy red velvet chocolate brownies with a tangy cheesecake layer. Let's see how we make it. Grease the pan and line it with the parchment paper. I'm going to start by creaming 115 grams of butter. Goes in some salt. You can also use salted butter. And to this I'm adding 3/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of castor sugar. I'm going to whisk both the ingredients at a high speed until the mixture looks light and fluffy. And to this I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Goes in 2 eggs, one at a time. Mix them as well. Goes in half teaspoon apple cider vinegar and whisk until combined. To this I'm adding 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. And now I'm going to fold it nicely. And finally, I am going to add 2 teaspoons red food color and give this a good mix. Save the brownie batter. It's ready, set aside. And I am pouring the rest into the prepared pan and smooth on top. For the cream cheese filling, all you need to add 8-ounce cream cheese, 1 egg white, half teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Now give everything a good mix. I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Onto this goes cream cheese layer. To this I'm adding dollops of the brownie batter which I saved earlier. And now I'm using skewer and make swirls. And now this goes into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Slightly puffed and a toothpick inserted into the center of the brownies comes out with moist crumbs. Let the brownies cool completely and then refrigerate it for at least 2 hours until they are firm enough to cut. The brownies taste even better the day after they are made. These red velvet brownies are so delicious and indulgent and will definitely be your new favorite dessert. If you like this recipe, please give a big thumbs up below, and I encourage you to try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you will get notification every time we post a new recipe. And don't forget to tag us on our Instagram page, shimmys.kitchen. So we'll see you in our next video. Till then, take good care.